Let's talk about back to school. How can I get prepared for back to school? I can ask to meet my teacher virtually. I may meet my teacher before school starts. I can get a haircut. I can set up my morning alarm. I can shop for school supplies. I can make my lunch. I can look at the weather and choose my clothing. I can charge my devices. I can review my class schedule. I can practice walking to school or the bus stop. I can meet up with classmates. I can buy new shoes. I can write a list of reminders. I can pack up my backpack. Time for questions. What do you pack in your backpack? How do you travel to school? What is he doing? What is this person doing? How does this person feel? How do you feel about going back to school? Keywords to learn.